Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Just a really quick note. We've been receiving so many emails about people's new YouTube channels. And these are the homeowners that have followed Apple Drains advice and they've installed their French drains, their downspout drains, their channel drains, waterproof their foundations, their crawl spaces, and they've all followed, our advice, which is very nice. And the systems are working great, but they've made their YouTube channels and they're getting views. And you know what? I think that these new channels have the best how-tos. They're showing you how to put the pipe together. They're showing you how they dug, how they rented a trencher, how they got the blackjack number 57 up on the wall. These guys are doing a great job, and I hope that all your channels are successful. You're getting views, and that's wonderful. There are some, really weird people out there that have these YouTube channels, but for the most part, the YouTube is flooded with how-tos for French drains. And I think that's really great. Thank you guys. You know who you are because I've commented on all your channels, and I think that's just absolutely outstanding.
Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. What does it mean when you see air bubbles come up out of a drain? Any ideas? Take a look. If you've ever seen or been in a flash flood, water rises very quickly. In other words, it's been raining a mile or two away, and all of a sudden, that water begins to rise. You don't even see it. It's not raining where you are, but all of a sudden, that water, it rises up very quickly. The water rises so quickly that if your French drain is discharging an open discharge into a swale or a culvert, and that's full of water, then you're going to have an airlock. So off in the distance, that front has been pouring down rain, and you can see the water has risen in the swale. The French drain is discharging into this swale. It's an open discharge, but when that water rose, now it's underwater. So now the front comes to us. So now that same front that's pouring 4 and 5 inches every 30 minutes comes to you. And it floods that low spot so fast that you can see what happens. That water just stands there. Why? It's actually draining, but it's draining very slowly. Let me show you why. Luckily, on this system, there's catch basins. You can see as soon as I pull that overgrowth back, just pull it back a little bit. Look what happens. See all the air that's coming out? This system's airlocked. The catch basin acts as a vent. You can see that bubbling up coming out of the ground. You can see it over here where I pulled this basin. And look at the discharge. Can you see the air coming out of that line? Once that air is out of the line, this thing's going to drain so fast. So remember, if your French drain is discharging into an open swale, a culvert, or even if it's going into a storm drain, and that is underwater, and then it rains hard and floods your area, you could have an airlock. Hopefully you've put a catch basin on your line and you can easily move that around and get this thing to flow. If you don't have a catch basin, you can see what happens. Not only does the catch basin pick up that immediate surface water, but it allows for so much more. These are event-related problems. In other words, you'll never beat Mother Nature. It'll rain sometimes so hard that your system is going to fill up, but it will drain. And it's a very common problem, airlock. You think about plumbing in your house, and there's vents. Those vents are there to prevent the airlock. Just like the check valve on the sump pump, we need to have a pressure relief to prevent airlock. Even in a storm drain this size that I'm walking through, they can become airlocked. If that fills up, the same thing occurs. All the storm drains on the street, they begin to bubble. I'm sure you've seen this. They begin to bubble, and eventually they flow. These problems are event related. In other words, you'll never beat Mother Nature. Take a look at this thunderstorm formation. You can see these clouds are building up. You've seen this thousands of times. Those clouds build up, the afternoon heat. They start to get darker. But where you are, it's quite nice. But it's going to rain very soon where you are.
So flash floods, you can see those rain clouds in the back. it's raining, 5-6 miles away from here, and water is beginning to flow. It's moving, it's filling up, water's heading this direction. Right here, you can see the sun is out, no rain at all. But in a few minutes, it will be raining here, and it's going to rain really hard. So if you've got a French drain that is discharging to an open swale or into a storm drain, then if that backs up, if that fills up with water, then your French drain could have an airlock. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.